what if I told you the perfect Pixel 10 Pro setup isn't complete without the right accessories? I searched Amazon to uncover the absolute best picks, and today I'm sharing them with you. Welcome to the channel. Check the links in the description so you don't miss out. The number 15 product on our list is TORRAS Drop Protection Magnetic Case. The first thing people worry about after unboxing a brand new device is whether it will survive daily bumps, slips and drops. And that's where this magnetic case steps in with a solution that feels like a sigh of relief. While searching for the best accessories on Amazon, this one instantly stood out because it doesn't just protect, it transforms the way you use your phone. The slim design hides a powerful built-in stand, tested thousands of times, making it reliable for both casual scrolling and serious video calls. Its magnetic grip feels reassuringly strong, securing your phone to mounts and chargers without a hint of wobble, something cheaper cases often fail at. Military-grade cushioning keeps every corner safe while still maintaining a sleek profile that doesn't weigh you down. The stand adjusts smoothly, blending into the design so well that you almost forget it's there until you need it. For those who want protection without bulk and practicality without compromise, this case feels like the smarter choice. At number 14 is Spigen Liquid Air MagFit Case. Too often people compromise between style and protection when choosing a case, but this slim magnetic design manages to deliver both in a way that feels effortless. While searching for the best accessories on Amazon, this one instantly grabbed attention because it solves the everyday worry of drops and scratches without adding unnecessary bulk. The textured grip feels reassuring in the hand, removing that constant fear of slips, while its slim frame makes sliding it into a pocket smooth and frustration-free. Inside, the impact-dispersing structure adds quiet confidence that your device can handle unexpected bumps, and the raised edges give just enough lift to shield the screen and camera from contact with hard surfaces. Magnetic alignment works seamlessly with chargers and mounts, a feature that cheaper cases struggle to perfect. Compared to heavier, rugged options, this case feels lighter yet equally dependable, tested for daily comfort and long-term use. For anyone who values minimalism, smart design, and reliable protection, this case stands out as a safe and satisfying choice. To number 13 is Google Pixel Watch 2. When people invest in a premium phone, they often forget the importance of pairing it with a smart companion that extends its usefulness. And that's where this watch shines, as one of the standout finds while searching for the best accessories on Amazon. From the moment you wear it, the lightweight recycled aluminum feels natural on the wrist, tested for all-day comfort without irritation. The upgraded heart rate sensor, backed by Google's AI, delivers accuracy that athletes and everyday users can finally trust, eliminating the frustration of unreliable tracking. Its stress and body response monitoring features provide an extra layer of reassurance, making you feel more in control of your health. The 24-hour battery paired with a crisp, always-on display makes it practical for both busy schedules and fitness routines, while safety features like fall detection and emergency SOS bring real peace of mind. Unlike basic trackers, this wearable bridges elegance with serious functionality, giving users not just data, but daily confidence. For anyone who values reliability, comfort, and smart integration, it's a choice that feels both secure and rewarding. Tapped at number 12 is Google 45-watt USB-C power charger. One of the biggest frustrations Pixel owners face is waiting endlessly for their phone to charge, and that's exactly the problem this powerful charger eliminates with an experience that feels like freedom. While searching for the best accessories on Amazon, this compact powerhouse instantly stood out because it doesn't just refill your battery, it redefines convenience, delivering rapid energy that pushes your device close to 70% in around half an hour. It brings relief for anyone constantly on the move. Its versatility is another strength, handling not just phones but earbuds, tablets, and even laptops with ease, giving you peace of mind that one reliable charger covers it all. The thoughtful use of recycled materials adds a layer of responsibility that makes the purchase feel even smarter. Unlike cheaper alternatives that heat up or fail over time, this one holds steady, tested for daily dependability. If you value speed, safety, and multi-debate support, this charger proves itself as a trustworthy choice that makes life easier and stress-free. Number 11 is Spigen USB-C car charger. One of the biggest frustrations Pixel owners face is waiting endlessly for their phone to charge, and that's exactly the problem this powerful charger eliminates with an experience that feels like freedom. While searching for the best accessories on Amazon, this compact powerhouse instantly stood out because it doesn't just refill your battery, It redefines convenience, delivering rapid energy that pushes your device close to 70% in around half an hour. It brings relief for anyone constantly on the move. Its versatility is another strength, handling not just phones, but earbuds, tablets, and even laptops with ease, giving you peace of mind that one reliable charger covers it all. The thoughtful use of recycled materials adds a layer of responsibility that makes the purchase feel even smart. Unlike cheaper alternatives that heat up or fail over time, this one holds steady, tested for daily dependability. If you value speed, safety, and multi-debate support, this charger proves itself as a trustworthy choice that makes life easier and stress-free. At number 10 is VEEKTOMX Power Bank. Running out of power at the worst possible moment is a fear every phone owner knows too well, and that's exactly the problem this sleek portable bank solves with ease. While searching for the best accessories on Amazon, this compact yet powerful backup stood out because it delivers more than just extra charge. It delivers peace of mind. Built with high-capacity cells, it pushes fast energy into your device, taking away that constant anxiety of seeing the battery drop below 20%. Its multiple ports make it versatile enough to handle not just phones, but tablets, earbuds, and even laptops, turning it into a travel essential that feels like carrying a safety net in your pocket. The design is slim and durable, tested for real-world comfort, so it doesn't feel like a burden when packed in a bag. Unlike cheap alternatives that overheat or slow down after months of use, this one stays consistent and reliable. For anyone who values freedom, convenience, and dependable energy on demand, this pick feels like a smart, stress-free choice. And number 9 is Google Pixel Buds Pro. Great sound can change the way you experience a phone, yet so many people settle for average earbuds that never match the quality of their device. And that's the problem these earbuds solve with ease. While searching for the best accessories on Amazon, these stood out instantly because they don't just deliver audio, they create an experience. The moment you put them in, the active noise cancellation adapts to your ear, sealing out distractions and letting music feel immersive, almost like stepping into your own world. At the same time, transparency mode brings back awareness when you need it, offering balance without compromise. The custom drivers push out clean bass and sharp highs at any volume, making long listening sessions enjoyable rather than fatiguing. With up to 11 hours of playtime and reliable wireless charging, they're built for everyday life, tested for comfort on long commutes, workouts, and calls. If you want seamless integration, reliable performance, and a design that feels effortless, these earbuds prove themselves as a smart and satisfying choice. And number 8 is Sony noise-cancelling wireless headphone. Silence has a power of its own, and once you experience it wrapped around your favorite music, it feels almost addictive. While searching for the best accessories on Amazon, these headphones instantly earned a spot because they solved one of the biggest frustrations: escaping the noise of everyday life without sacrificing comfort. Incredibly lightweight, yet packed with serious tech. They sit gently on your head for hours, tested for real-world comfort that doesn't weigh you down. The noise-cancelling feels immersive, powered by advanced processing that blocks distractions so every note stands out with clarity. Battery life is another relief, lasting over a day, with quick charging that rescues you in minutes. Voice pickup is crisp, making calls sound professional even in crowded places, and the ability to switch between devices seamlessly adds practicality that many alternatives miss. Unlike heavier models that trade comfort for power, this design delivers both. For those who crave peace, premium sound, and lasting ease, this pick feels like the smart, satisfying choice. And number 7 is ANDERY car phone holder. Long drives often turn frustrating when your phone slips from a cheap mount mid-turn, and that's exactly the problem this holder solves with authority. While searching for the best accessories on Amazon, this compact yet powerful design stood out because it offers more than convenience. It delivers true peace of mind. Built with a dual axis adjustment and full 360-degree rotation, it adapts effortlessly, whether you're navigating in portrait mode or streaming music in landscape. Tested for real-world comfort to stay stable through every road bump, the upgraded suction and reinforced magnets grip with remarkable strength, holding your device steady even on rough roads where others fail. Its folding design reduces bulk by half when not in use, keeping your dashboard clean and uncluttered. What makes it special is the attention to detail. airflow to prevent overheating, easy 1-second attachment, and broad compatibility across devices. For drivers who value safety, reliability, and smooth everyday use, this mount feels like a smart and reassuring choice that's built to last. At number 6 is IMBZBK 3-pack Screen Protector. Nothing feels worse than watching your brand new phone slip, only to realize the screen is unprotected, and that fear is exactly what this pack eliminates with confidence. While searching for the best accessories on Amazon, this stood out as more than just glass. It's a full protection system designed to give peace of mind. The auto-dusting installation makes setup effortless even for beginners, leaving no bubbles or frustrating imperfections. Tested for real-world comfort so it works without hassle. Once applied, the aerospace-grade glass with nano-ceramic fusion feels reassuringly strong, built to handle drops, scratches and bumps that would destroy ordinary protectors. Touch response stays flawless, keeping the fingerprint reader smooth and the colors crystal clear, so you never feel like you've lost the natural experience of the display. The added camera lens covers are a bonus, ensuring your shots remain sharp and scratch-free day or night. For those who want reliable, cost-effective, and case-friendly protection, this bundle offers relief, durability, and a smart choice that makes daily use stress-free. And number 5 is CASEKOO PATT 360 Spin Magnetic Case. It's rare to find a case that feels like it solves multiple problems at once, but this patented spin design does exactly that, making it a highlight while searching for the best accessories on Amazon. The first thing you notice is the 360-degree rotating stand, crafted from aerospace-grade aluminium, which makes streaming, meetings, or even cooking with your phone propped up effortless and comfortable. Tested for real-world use with thousands of folds. The magnetism is another standout. Far stronger than average cases, it locks onto chargers and mounts without the fear of slipping, even on bumpy drives, offering peace of mind every time you use it. Military-grade drop protection gives a reassuring sense of safety, with raised bezels protecting both screen and cameras, while the anti-slip ridges keep the phone secure in your hand. Unlike bulkier cases that compromise design for toughness, this one blends slim elegance with functional versatility. For users who demand style, safety, and daily convenience, it feels like a truly smart investment. Drops. At number 4 is TORRAS Q3 Spin 360 Magnetic Case. Most cases force you to pick between sleek design, reliable protection, or magnetic convenience, but this spin-ready option manages to bring all three together in one clever package. While searching for the best accessories on Amazon, this stood out immediately because it doesn't just protect, it elevates the way you use your device daily. The 360-degree stand feels smooth and sturdy, tested thousands of times to ensure it won't loosen or wobble, giving you comfort, whether you're streaming, calling, or following recipes, hands-free. Its magnetic grip is exceptionally strong, locking securely to mounts and chargers without sliding, a detail that brings instant relief for anyone tired of flimsy attachments. Drop protection is another highlight, built to absorb heavy shocks while keeping the case slim and pocket-friendly, offering peace of mind without extra bulk. Unlike generic alternatives, this design feels premium, thoughtfully crafted, and genuinely practical. For users who want safety, style, and multifunctional ease rolled into one, this case feels like a smart and satisfying investment. The third one on our list is Spigen NanoPop MagFit case. It's surprising how many slim cases sacrifice real protection, but this design proves you can have both style and safety without compromise. While searching for the best accessories on Amazon, this case instantly stood out because it offers more than just a sleek fit. It delivers confidence every time you pick up your phone. The bold two-tone finish feels refreshing, giving your device personality while still keeping it professional, and the grip-enhancing texture ensures it won't slip out of your hand during daily use. Inside, air cushion technology quietly works to absorb shocks, a detail that brings peace of mind when accidental drops happen. Raised bezels keep both screen and camera safe from scratches on flat surfaces, while the slim frame slides easily into pockets, tested for real-world comfort without unnecessary bulk. Magnetic compatibility adds another layer of convenience, seamlessly connecting to accessories without wobble. For those who want a smart balance of protection, style, and everyday practicality, this case feels like a choice worth trusting. And the number 2 is TORRAS magnetic shockproof case. Most cases claim to be protective, but very few manage to deliver toughness, style, and magnetic strength in one slim package. And that's exactly why this one stood out while searching for the best accessories on Amazon. The first thing you'll notice is the upgraded magnetic lock. Engineered with dual-layer Halbach technology that holds steady even on bumpy roads, giving relief to anyone tired of flimsy mounts that fail at the worst moments. Drop protection is equally impressive, tested to military standards with 360-degree airbags that absorb shocks and raised bezels that keep both screen and camera safe from scratches, offering peace of mind without bulky weight. The matte translucent back resists fingerprints, keeping the phone looking clean and elegant, while the customizable buttons add a playful touch of personalization that's rare in protective cases. Unlike heavier designs that compromise comfort, this one is slim, light, and tested for real-world comfort. For those wanting reliable safety, magnetic convenience, and a sleek everyday feel, it's a smart and satisfying pick. Now moving to the last one is Spigen Rugged Armor MagFit case. Some cases are built to look good, others are built to survive accidents, but this one manages to do both, making it a clear standout while searching for the best accessories on Amazon. The rugged design feels reassuring the moment it snaps onto your phone, tested for real-world comfort with a grip that doesn't slip even on long, busy days. Military-grade protection is more than just a label here. The reinforced corners and shock-absorbing spiderweb interior give a sense of safety that cheaper cases simply can't match, offering peace of mind with every use. Raised bezels keep the screen and camera safe from scratches when placed down, while the slim yet bold carbon fiber finish adds style without bulk. Its magnetic compatibility works seamlessly with chargers and mounts, removing the hassle of taking the case off for accessories. If you're someone who values durability, sleek design and everyday practicality blended into one, this case proves itself as a reliable and smart choice you won't regret. So guys, this was the video about the best Google Pixel 10 Pro accessories on Amazon. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.